Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and set up a custom domain for your Gumroad store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do in the upper right corner is going to log into your account. If you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started accessing all the sections we can use for managing our store. At the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home section, products, collaborators, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to get started setting up a custom domain. So basically guys, here we have a help center article we can follow on how to get started setting up a custom domain. So you're going to open up your settings and follow along. Here at the left side of the screen, open up the settings at the bottom of the page, and from here you have your settings such as your user details and so on. But now we are going to go and follow the steps right here. So basically guys, you're going to be setting up your DNS configuration. So you're going to need to set up your DNS records with your domain registrar. What you want to do is go ahead and open up this article for yourself. You're going to open up the help center right here at the left side of the screen, bottom of the screen, and then go ahead and open up the search bar right here. Search for custom domain. This is going to enable you to go ahead and find this article right here, setting up a custom domain, and then you want to go ahead and follow it step by step to see how it works with your provider to set up your domain. So go ahead and do that and get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.